Okay, I received this return, and unfortunately the customer sent me the item without the box. I sent this item with the outside packaging, and he sent it like this. That's come on, that's unacceptable. So I'm gonna that's unacceptable. I'm gonna see what is this. I sent this item brand new seal. I see that he opened the seal. He with the blue line. He opened it, so I'm gonna open the machine to see what he did. It's unacceptable. Papers are there. Okay, I just want to know. Okay. As you see there, or maybe he tried to mount it or something. Here. Here. He took it out outside the box. He removed the seal. He tried to mount it. It's unacceptable, man. That's unacceptable.